Have you noticed that the quality of videos on Facebook can sometimes be too high for your liking, causing them to buffer and slow down your browsing experience? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to disable HD video quality on Facebook on your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Facebook account by navigating to the website and logging in. Once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. This will take you to your profile settings. Now select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu and then click on Settings to access your account settings. Scroll down the Settings menu until you see the Preferences section. Click on Media to adjust your media settings. Within the media settings, locate the Video Default Quality option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you have the option to choose between SD only or default video quality. Selecting SD only will ensure that all videos you watch on Facebook will be in standard definition, reducing buffering and improving your browsing experience. If you prefer the default quality, you can choose that option as well. Once you've made your selection, make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.